Okay, we're gonna make us a sandwich. We're gonna start out with keto bread. And this would be better on a panini press or something like this, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna just do it here on my grill. And I'm gonna butter 2 slices of bread on one side. Then I'm going to add on corned beef. Then I'm going to add some provolone. And I don't like a lot of cheese on my sandwich. My husband would throw on 2 slices of cheese. But now we're going to add some sauerkraut. This is homemade from the garden. And I like to drain a lot of the juice out. And then add some Thousand Island dressing. And then you just top your sandwich with your bread and then cook it. Okay, I flipped it. I thought it would be a little bit more brown than it is, but it's not. So I may have to flip it again. This is the nice golden brown top you want on your sandwich. So I turned it over and I'm gonna get the other side a little bit browner. And our sandwich is done. We'll just have to cut it in half.